bacon-wrapped candied bologna sticks. The ultimate snack for any meat lover. That's right, you heard me correctly. Candied bologna. It may sound strange, but you gotta trust me, it's delicious. Hey, let's get this cook going. I got a 3.5 pound bologna chub. What we're going to do is get this peel off of it. Then we want to cut this guy into strips. So I'm going to come down the middle. I think what we'll do is one more. I want these about 1 inch thick. Now I'm just going to come in, like I say, about 1 inch thick slices. Maybe that's 3/4 of an inch, somewhere in that range. And you do want to try to cut them fairly uniformly, meaning about the same size, so that they'll all cook about the same duration, get ready about the same time. Here I've got, I think these are 8-inch skewers. They've been soaking in water, right? You don't want them to burn up when you put them on your pellet grill. But just want to run these guys right up the center of these bologna sticks, right? I think these bologna sticks are about 6.5, maybe 7 inches. Hard to say exactly without measuring them. But again, pretty simple, right? Just come up right up the middle of these guys. And you want to come pointy end down, probably goes without saying, right? Now I'm going to come in and wrap each one of these sticks with with bacon. Now as it cooks, this is going to spread apart a little bit. If you don't want that, then you'll want to scoot this up, and you can use 2 pieces instead of 1. That's totally up to you how much bacon that you prefer on your candied sticks. I'm down to my last piece of bacon out of this pound, and I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. All right, so you can go get some more bacon, but I think what I'll do is we'll have a little bit of both. I'm just going to score this bologna on both sides, and I'll show you here in just a minute why that is. So there's our bologna sticks, the ones wrapped in bacon, and here are the ones I scored that don't have any bacon. 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. This is what will make our bologna candied, well, part of it. And you just want to get this all mixed in nicely. Now we'll just take each of our bologna sticks and coat them in this sugar mixture. All right, then set them aside. And you might just say, rinse and repeat for each one. All right, now for those ones that don't have bacon, you'll need some kind of binder, because the bologna kind of get hard to get that sugar to stick. You could also use mustard. Don't worry, you're not going to get flavor here as we smoke these things. Just rub it on lightly, and that way we can get our sugar and our cayenne and our cinnamon to stick. And just like we did with the ones with the bacon, you just want to get a little of this sugar rub on each side. There's our last one. See, there's our ones that have been sitting here for 5 or 6 minutes while we made the bologna sticks with no sugar. And you can see how that sugar is already starting to get all wet and sticky on them. Just going to add in some hickory pellets today. You see we've got a nice smoke going with this Grilla grill set on 250 degrees. So we just want to get our candied bologna sticks on our Grilla pellet smoker. I've got so many of these today, we're going to have to use both shelves, both grates. Let's get the door closed. We'll let these guys go around 45 minutes and then check on them. It's been 45 minutes. We're going to turn these guys over just to make sure they get evenly cooked. Just get each one of them. We also don't want to forget about those ones up here on top that don't have any bacon on them. Just going to turn these guys over. Let them go about 30 minutes. Let's get the lid closed again. I've got some Captain Jack barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite. I suggest choosing a sweet one. It's been another 30 minutes. Now I'm just going to dip each one in our barbecue sauce. Put it on here and let it caramelize. Probably only take 15 minutes. It's been a total cook time of 90 minutes. We ran 45 minutes, turned them over, 30 more minutes, dipped them in the sauce, and then 15 for a total of 90. So our candied bologna sticks are ready to get off this Grilla grill now. Just look at that incredible color. After we get these guys off here, we'll let them cool down for 10 minutes and give them a taste test. Here's our bologna sticks, bacon wrapped. Sticky candy right there. You get all that bologna goodness, that bacon, sweetness, and then at the very end, you get a kick from the cayenne. Now, it probably goes without saying, you got to be careful, right? Pointed in on these skewers. These things are incredible. You got to give this one a try when your buddies are over for the next game day or that backyard barbecue. Trust me, you'll be the rock star of the cookout.